Welcome Pruners. Today we're gonna see how to use Pruna to compress a model like Whisper, which processes audio. So in this case, we consider the model Whisper Large V3, which is a model that allows to transcribe audio to text. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I already loaded the model Whisper to be quicker. Then what we can do is either directly use it to transcribe the audio, but actually this will take a lot of time, so we'll just suggest to compress it so that we can transcribe the audio in a much shorter time. So the first step is actually just to define a smash config. The smash config object defines like a combination, like one or multiple compression methods that should be used and combined to make the model more efficient. In this case, we propose to use two methods, and actually we could use even more if you want to also make the model not only faster but also smaller by quantizing the weights of the models. So we define the smash config object, and the next step is actually just to use a single call of the function smash defined in Pruna to compress the model defined here based on the smash config defined here. So let's do this. Note that you might need a token to call this function. If you don't have one, it will just suggest you to create one right away. With a token, you should have access to some free compute and access to the Pruna compression methods up to a certain limit per month, but should be really enough to try a lot of things already. So here we see basically it took 24 seconds to make the model, to compress the model. And then we can just prepare the input, which is an audio file, which is a podcast from Sam Altman, and then start to transcribe the audio. So this will take less than 2 minutes, but you got the idea that basically the transcription will be much faster than done with the Smash model, which will be much faster compared to the transcription done with the base model. Okay, as you can see, the transcription is done. It took less than 2 minutes, so just 1 minute 19, and we have all the text of the podcast which has been transcribed. Again, thanks a lot for attending this tutorial, and hope that you will try Puna.